Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the classic ripple stitch. This is super fun and super easy. For this pattern, you'll just need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below on how to do double crochets. So to get started, you're going to want to do multiples of 16 plus 13. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick 29 chains. Once you have your chains, go ahead and start by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work your first double crochet, followed by 4 more double crochets up the chain. So we're going to work our 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Followed by chaining 3. We're going to skip the next stitch and we're going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Then we're going to work 5 double crochets down the chain. Then we are going to skip 3 of the chains. And in the 4th chain, we are just going to work 1 double crochet and continuing up for 4 more. Now we're going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Followed by chaining 3. And then we're going to skip 1 chain and work in the next chain spot. Right there. We're going to work 2 double crochets. And then we're going to work 5 double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Now, setting up the foundation for a classic ripple stitch is the most challenging part of this, but once you have that down, the rest of the project ends up being super easy. Alright, we have finished row 1 and we can see how it's starting to really form that ripple look. So now we're going to turn our work and chain 3. And we are going to skip the first 2 stitches. So 1, 2, we're going to skip those. Then we're going to double crochet all the way to our chain 3 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to work 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space. Followed by chaining 3. And working 2 more double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Then we are going to double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we are going to skip the next 4 stitches. And in the 5th stitch, we are going to work a double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In that one, we're going to work a double crochet all the way up into the chain 3 space. So that'll be another 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to work 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, followed by chaining 3. Sorry, in the chain 3 space, my apologies. And then we're going to work 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space. And then we're going to work 5 double crochets all the way down. And then to give the work its nice straight edge, we are going to work a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. And this is just so it ends up giving the edges some nice uniform straightness, as you can see right there. Now the repeat for this pattern is you would just keep repeating row 2 and all the way until the size of your project. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.